So the video, the other one about a room tour, what it got, it ended. But yeah, so I ordered a package and it came because it said a fidget pack, and because it said it was coming on the 23rd, but it's December the 13th. So it came really early. I guess they had it done already. But yeah. Now we're gonna open it, and I'm so excited. So he's just like sitting right beside me. That's why I'm so excited. So, and yeah, it's right here. You can find these at Amazon. They look really cheap. I'm sure you. And we're just gonna close our eyes and just pick something randomly. If we don't have any time, I will do a part 2. But we're just gonna pick. So first it came with a Among Us puppet. This looks so cool because not cool, but like I had one of these, but it was not that good. It was not that good. But I rate this a 10 out of 10. I'm already running out of time. Next is this. 10 out of 10. All of them are I'm not gonna rate them. So yeah, because I'm ruining them. These are like the plastic ones. They're really good. And the last puppet is this one. It's like this heart one. Really good. And then we're gonna do racket tracks. They only came with 2 racket tracks. They're really good. They're really good. And then we're gonna do with the small monkey noodles. Oh no, because I'm running out of time. Orange, green, blue, yellow, and they're really soft and really crunchy and stretchy. Okay. We're gonna do the mochis, but I'll be right back. Hi guys, so I'm back. I just needed to change this. I wanted it here, not there. But we're gonna go on to the mochis now, so I'll be right back. So it came with this gray one, these 2, same one, and this pink one.